This is the okra. We want to cook the okra.
You cook the okra now?
Yeah, we'll cook the okra now. This meat, baby, 35,000 is very cheap.
You know why it's cheap in your place? Because you people produce.
Yeah. But you people also produce this one.
Yeah, but you know, you people have a mass production.
Carrot, very expensive. Small
Expensive,
orange, 800. In China, our carrot is like this big cucumber they have here. And it's very cheap. This pepper, 500. It's green beans. Our own is very big, but this one looks very fresh also.
Yeah.
This beans is $1, baby. It's okay, right? You know, if you add green beans in the food, beef and potato is going to be very nice. Green beans and carrots. Let me cut it. This is the plantain. This is the beans. We got. I'll use it to cook
Did you
beans
check
and
the beans?
plantain.
You don't have the...
No, it's good. The beans is very good.
It's very good, right?
I asked him. He told me this one is gets soft very well. This is the good one. So I'll use it to cook beans and plantain for you, okay?
That's my best food, my favorite food.
I'll cook for you, reserve in the fridge. These two pineapple, 5,500.
6,006.
6,006.
Touch.
In China, if it's only this one, will reach maybe like 7,000. Only this one.
Yeah, but you don't have. You have a.
We have, but
I think they import from Philippines.
no. We have in Hainan.
Mama Antonio,
Huh?
how long the food is going to take you to Japan?
Very soon. Just look at the rice. The rice is ready. The rice is ready.
Do you know how many workers you have now? We
I'm
have,
prepared for 15.
yeah.
Yeah, it's okay because we also give this gate man.
So make sure you cook well. My workers, they are too choosy. Give them a very good, delicious Chinese food.
Don't worry. I always make you proud, okay?
No problem.
You know how long to take me to peel the potato?
I know
Very
it
difficult.
takes a long time to prepare the potato.
And peel it. That's it. Very soon, okay?
No problem.
Yeah. Before 12
You are
o'clock.
not using tomato.
No, no tomato.
How are you going to make the sauce?
Like the way we made it in China. I don't want to use tomato.
Okay, Chinese
And this
sauce.
is a different
Okay,
type.
they'll just use it to eat the
With
white rice.
white rice, yeah. I'll serve with white rice.
Alright, my worker is going to enjoy Chinese food today.
Yes.
Alright, no problem. We're waiting for you and even me said I'm hungry.
No problem. Before 12, I'll serve, okay?
Alright.
About to eat Chinese sauce now. Since Anthony is not here.
You know, we have enough rice, so put very well for everybody. So make we eat belly full.
Some people go still come. Once they don't share now, God don't they go front.
This Chinese soup fine, no? I never eat that before. Today I go eat that.
Put more sauce. The sauce is more.
Put more sauce, put more
Put more.
sauce.
Put more. The sauce, the thing is big.
That's not that point. Go carry give her money.
Look at that Gapon now. Manager in control.
Tio?
Just give me your bribe. Just give me your bribe. Wow. Just give me your bribe. Theodore Mobi, I should do his brother. If you didn't I service only 2 plates for Mobi and Paul, he won't finish all the food.
So give me ask you my.
It's getting
3 plates. No, but maybe you this one.
What if you need to sleep? Put some here.